So Yubata recently sent me out this pool cleaner, and today we're going to do a super quick unboxing, but we're mainly going to focus on the actual pool cleaning test. So let's go ahead and do the super quick unboxing on this thing, get it charged up so that we could actually put this thing to use and see just how well it performs. All right guys, so here's everything that comes in the box. We have our charger. We have a hook that you guys could set up on your pool strainer, and then that will allow you to just hook it on this ring back here to pick it up out of the pool. So far, this sheet has been really helpful. I know that these devices could be pretty intimidating for a lot of people, but so far it's been very simple to set up. So they do say if you guys have a very uneven surface on the bottom of your pool, that these little scrapers might not be the best idea to install. But since our pool has a very smooth bottom, we could easily use these, and this will just help give us an even better cleaning. So they literally just snap into place, super easy to install. All right, so now one more thing to look at before we get this charging. We have two filters, and if you guys have a fairly clean pool, it should be fine to go ahead and use the ultra fine filter as well. If you guys are doing a super deep clean, it might be better just to use the regular filter, but we're gonna test it with both installed. All right guys, so here is the regular filter. It has like a metal screen, and then here's the ultra fine filter that's already pre-installed for us. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse of what that part looked like before we went through with the test. And also real fast, you guys do have two adjustments, one on the front and back right there, and they're gonna look like this. So that's how you guys could adjust the path of the Yubata pool cleaner. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this charging. You just pull that cap off right there, and then you guys just plug it in with this. So I'll see you guys at the pool. All right guys, so welcome to our pool. We're gonna go ahead and test this out. I did go ahead and let this charge overnight, so it should have plenty of power to go ahead and clean up most of the pool here. We do have a lot of leaves right now, and so I kept it really dirty on purpose to give you guys a really good cleaning test. So I'm gonna make sure that we screw that port back down to make sure that this plug is waterproof again. For now, I'm just gonna leave the jets on the back and the front just the way they are until I see how it operates. And if it's having trouble with the pool, I'll go ahead and show you guys how to adjust them. So I'll show you guys some footage in real time of this working, and then I'll also speed it up to give you guys the full time lapse of the pool cleaning. All right, so we're gonna press and hold this button until we see the blue light. Now we're gonna drop this into the water, and it's gonna slowly sink as it fills up with water. And then once it hits the bottom, it'll start turning on those motors, and it'll start rolling around. So it is off, going pretty fast already. So you can see it down there, and you could really see the power of the motor. Every once in a while, I'll see it open up and it'll just move really quick. So you guys could see how those flaps are open on the back. Now it's taking off, going across the pool. It's basically just gonna go back and forth, collecting all of the debris and the leaves, and also that really high quality filter is going to be purifying the water as well and getting rid of some of the gravel and some of the dust that's just in the water. So right now it's going up the side of the pool a little. It's gonna hit that ramp and start coming back around. I probably should go ahead and remove this other built-in pool cleaner. I think it's getting caught up on that. All right, so I'm just gonna give you guys a few more clips of this working in real time, and then we're gonna go ahead and switch to the time lapse. But you can see it does a decent job at getting up to that turn there, or that bend. It's going almost vertically right now. Now it's gonna go back and start coming this way. And so it's just gonna zigzag around the pool till the battery dies basically, and then you guys will get that hook that I showed you, and you guys will be able to hook it out of the water. So anyways, let's go ahead and switch to the time lapse, and then I'll show you guys how much debris this thing picked up at the very end. All right guys, so it's been about an hour and a half since we dropped this in the pool, and it's cleaned up almost everything. I'm gonna go ahead, pull the machine out with the hook, and now we're gonna pull it to the side, let some of that water drain out. All right, so while we let some of the water drain out, I do wanna say that the pool looks much nicer. I wanna say it cleaned up about 80% of all the leaves, and we let this run for just an hour and a half, and it could have run for a lot longer. So definitely pretty happy with the results. Let's go ahead and pop this open and see just how much debris it cleaned up. So I'm just gonna make sure all the water is out of here. And now we're gonna throw it on its back, pop these open, and just pull that up. And you guys could see just how much debris this thing cleaned up. That's what this machine did. That did a really good job, and you guys could see it's not just cleaning up the leaves, it's also cleaning up sand particles, dust, and other debris. I even see some insects. So it definitely did a really good job at cleaning up the pool. So if you guys are looking for a completely wireless pool cleaner, I would definitely suggest looking into this one. It did a great job, and it wasn't hard to set up at all. So anyways, that's it for my really quick review and demonstration of this pool vacuum.